Warner Brothers and AT&T announced DC Fandom coming at us at the end of August, and now it's Disney's turn to announce what's happening with Marvel. And they will do exactly that at the end of July, because Disney Plus is bringing ComicCon to us. So this was tweeted out by Disney Plus, the official account, and they announced a few reveals that are coming at us. The most important one is Marvel 616, which has the tagline of a look inside Marvel 616 on Disney Plus, July 23rd at 1 p.m. Pacific time. And obviously on the side there, it says official Comic-Con at home panels. So what this is telling you is the ever-changing tide in delivery, and obviously this is telling you Marvel 616. Now, if this is just related to comics or if there's going to be more, we don't really know. There's all sorts of speculation running right now that this is sort of going to be a Marvel all-in-one everything. From comics to action figures to TV to, the cartoon side of things, to obviously giving us our first trailer and release date and everything for upcoming Marvel Studios TV shows, and of course teasing things. And realistically, I think this would make sense. If you guys go back to the launch of Disney Plus and look at that little 12 to 13 minute Marvel Studios video they put out, they teased a few things, they gave us a few hints of what's to come. It's really not going to surprise me if there's, like a 30-second clip of Kevin Feige saying, hey guys, check this out. Here's a preview of what's to come from Marvel Studios, and, show us a few more concept arts from things, and maybe announce a actor here or there, then announce the big next comic event, since obviously Kevin Feige's going to be in charge of everything Marvel, more or less. So, again, it looks like this is sort of the shifting tide, if you will, for Comic-Con, because this is going to prove you don't need Comic-Con to actually make an impact. And I think Sony proved that recently with E3 as well. You don't need E3 to be able to completely demolish the awareness and be in that space. So again, this is pretty huge, and numbers will speak volume to how many people tune in to see this, and I think this will be quite big. So since this coming at us in just over 3 weeks, expect a lot of teases, I would say, and a lot of rumors to pop up, because that's bound to happen, let's be real.